One of the simplest ways to generate money online is about to be revealed to you. Right now, I'm going to show you a website where you can work for 2 minutes and get paid $15. The catch is that if you don't view the entire video, nothing bad will happen to you. So make sure to adhere to all of the instructions in this video if you're serious about earning money online. This is accessible anywhere for no cost at all. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Please check out the G2.com website I requested. This website offers a variety of software categories. Users are rating each piece of software here, as you can see. Therefore, you can continuously get money by giving easy ratings on this website. It's really straightforward and easier than you might think, so don't panic. Please pay close attention because I'm about to give you a few instances from everyday life to show you how to achieve this. You won't succeed in making any money if you don't follow my recommendations. You're going to write a review and rate it under using a software on this page, so scroll down below. You can access this page by simply clicking this button right here. There are numerous actions you need to take. You will choose software or a product to rate in Step 1. Step 2 comprises writing a basic review, and Step 3 involves sharing it. All it takes to consistently earn $15 or up to $20 is that. The first step is to locate and choose the item you wish to rate. Software can be used in many different fields, including sales, marketing, design, e-commerce, and so forth. Say you want to write a product review for a product in the information technology category. Simply clicking on this button will take you to a website with a selection of software. You may easily rate and make money from a wide variety of goods and applications by scrolling down below. There are a ton of alternatives and numerous ways to make money on this website. You may repeat this process as much as you like, and it only takes a few minutes. I'll use Google Drive as an example in this video because I know many of you are already familiar with the software. You can choose numerous products at this time, but you'll choose one right now by clicking on this box, where it says you have selected one product below at the bottom. To rate Dropbox, for instance, simply click on here, and you can see here at the bottom that you've only chosen 2 things. After selecting Google Drive, I want you to move on and click on the blue button over here to continue. Now let's move on to step number 2, which is crucial, so pay close attention. As you can see, we have already selected Google Drive when it asks us to write a short comment on one of the items you use. So feel free to begin rating items by clicking on this blue button. Before we can start, you must sign in or create a free account on G2.com. After registering for a free account, you can start giving ratings and earning money. Now all you have to do to access a page where you may log in or establish a free account is click on this blue button. Simply select email if this is your first time visiting the website. You can establish a free account using your Google or LinkedIn profile. Otherwise, enter your email address and click the next button. Please check your inbox for emails. The verification link for this website has been emailed to you. The first thing we're going to do is check our email inbox for an email with the title G2 email verification. As you scroll down, you'll see Let's Make It Official. Please check your inbox and click on the email link to verify and continue. All you have to do is click that button there to validate your email address. Clicking the link to activate your account will take you to the next phase, where you can start evaluating and assessing Google Drive. You can currently rank anything from 0 to 10, with 10 being the highest. How likely it is that you'll suggest this software to other people? Let's scroll down and carefully read the next question. How likely is that you would recommend Google Drive to a friend or colleague? I'll give Google Drive a rating of 10, which indicates that it's highly likely because I adore using it. The next step is title for your reviews. Enter something here to share your ideas and Google Drive platform-related experiences. As we return to the video, I'd like to share one more extra suggestion with you to help you begin making money. As you can see, a large number of users are rating and reviewing the Google Drive software. Users have left over 8,000 evaluations from different nations around the planet. Therefore, if you continue reading below, you can learn more about Google Drive, but the most crucial thing is that you can find a ton of inspiration for your reviews. To express their opinions, some rating givers make some straightforward videos. You can obtain more knowledge about how to write your reviews and ratings by looking at their samples. This precise phrase is the title of some written reviews that have been supplied by different people. They will discuss Google Drive's positive and negative characteristics in further detail. Reading all of the other reviews on G2.com can teach you a lot about how to write a straightforward review. They can be a great source of ideas and inspiration for you. You are able to carry out the identical action and begin making money right away. Because I give it a very high rating in this instance, I'm going to call it Best for Sharing Files Online Recommended. The next question is, you have to answer all the questions to get paid. You simply need to provide a 40-word description of what you like and dislike about Google Drive in order to respond to the questions, what do you like best about Google Drive? And what do you dislike? As you can see, I followed through on all I said I would do. This is the review's title, and these are the things the reviewers thought were good and bad about the show. You can get a ton of references from a ton of other reviews right here on G2.com. When I scroll down, I can see that tens of thousands of people from all around the world are making a ton of money online by just rating and reviewing Google Drive products. I'll say something along the lines of, what I enjoy best is the smooth approach to saving your information, documents, images, and videos, and the ability to share them with someone else despite not having a USB drive that can cost you a couple of bucks. When asked what I like best about Google Drive, the biggest benefit of Google Drive for me is that it's quick and simple. The question of what I detest about Google Drive follows. You can finish this in less than 5 minutes, and it is quite simple. I'm just going to type something along the lines of, the files organizations could have been made more effective. I hope there is a way to arrange it, but I haven't had a chance to check into it. After rating Google Drive and providing a brief assessment of it, move on to the section below and check the box next to the statement that you agree with. Here, you guarantee that your assessment of the software is solely based on your own interactions with the item. You can only need to click the submit button to finish the procedure. In order to create a straightforward review and provide ratings for many more software categories, simply go back to your website, simply pick one of the available software programs, and you'll be able to constantly earn $15 or even $20 in less than 5 minutes and with no prior expertise. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.